Hi, welcome to 40 Fridays of Fundamental Science Experiments with Rohini. Robert Bunsen and Gustav Kirchhoff designed an instrument which can pass light through a prism and cast a spectrum. And the light through the prism, the light that passes through the prism, is produced by heating the element or heating an element to incandescence on a Bunsen burner. And then it is passed through a prism so that it can cast a spectrum. This instrument was called the spectroscope. And it was instrumental in identifying a lot of elements. And it was also instrumental in Bunsen and Kirchhoff identifying cesium. The instrument works something like this. You heat any element to incandescence and then pass it through a prism and it casts a spectrum. Now, the spectrum has colors in it, and each color is the signature of one of the elements. Like sodium has a yellow light, and potassium has a violet light, and rubidium has cesium has sky blue light, and all that. Each color emitted or each color seen in the spectrum is the signature of one particular element. It's like a fingerprint. So what they did was, in 1860, they were analyzing spa water. And when they were analyzing spa water, along with the other spectral signatures, Bunsen identified a sky blue signature, a sky blue pattern in the spectrum. And then, based upon the instrument they designed and based upon their knowledge that each element gives a particular color signature, they knew that the new color corresponded to a new element. And therefore, they started working on it and they identified that the blue color, the sky blue color, corresponded to cesium. And that was how their spectroscope was instrumental in identifying cesium. And the following year, they also identified a dark red spectral line when they were analyzing a metal, and they identified it as rubidium. And that is how spectroscope and Bunsen and Kirchhoff contributed two new elements, that is cesium and rubidium. Thank you.